We're working together, so please join the fight. We're working together, we work day and night.
I wanted to write this song because I'm a teacher. I teach my students a lot through music and songs. They really learn that way, and it's an enjoyable way to teach. I also want the kids to know that the doctors and the nurses and the volunteers and everybody who's working so hard to fight the virus, that they are heroes and they should respect them and they should give them thanks. A big thank you for all of the people who are working so hard to fight this virus.
这次疫情期间，在2次核酸过程中，他也是看到了很多的我们的医护的工作者，还有很多的志愿者，过程中特别辛苦。因为语言不通，他也没办法做志愿者，他就想通过写歌的方式来表达对宁夏这一次疫情的加油和祝福的这份心。另外也是想通过这首歌曲和他的学生去分享，学会感恩。
We're working together, so please join the fight. We're working together, we work day and night. The doctors and nurses